Hello, I'm Tony here from Kia Country of Charleston, and today I'm going to show you how to use your GPS navigation in your vehicle via hands-free. First, you're going to start the vehicle. So first you're going to push the voice activation button on your steering wheel. Do not hold it because that can activate Siri or Google Assist depending on which phone you have. So you're going to press the voice command button. Followed by the beep, you're going to say which destination you want to arrive to. You can say go home, find address, different point of interest. So when you follow all the steps, it should work like this.
Please say a command.
Find the nearest gas station.
Please say the line number.
4.
You will be guided to the 4th destination on the list. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And this is how you use the voice navigation system in your vehicle. For more videos, please visit charlestonkia.com, like us on Facebook, also visit us on YouTube. I'm Tony Washington, your product and technology specialist.